We are hopelessly outgunned.
Director Fury, I think it's time.
You here with the mission, sir? Trying to get me back in the world?
Trying to save it.
Doctor, we need you to come in.
What if I say no?
I'll persuade you.
What are you asking me to do?
It's called the Avengers Initiative.
I thought I didn't qualify.
Apparently I'm, what is it, volatile, self-obsessed,
And don't play well with others.
I think you need a timeout.
How desperate are you? And you call on such lost creatures to defend you.
You have made me very desperate.
We're not a team. We're a time bomb.
This is nothing we were ever trained for.
Guys, I'm bringing the party to you.
Hello guys, today we are Group 2 will show you a very amazing action movie. It is Avenger. The movie tells us about a superhero story who saved the Earth. Let's check it.
Marvel The Avengers is 2012, American superhero film produced by Marvel Studios and distributed by Walt Disney Pictures. Based on the Marvel comic superhero theme in the same name, Disney announced that film in February 12. The film is written and directed by Joss Whedon and features an ensemble cast that included Robert Downey, Chris Evans, Mark Ruffalo, Chris Hemsworth, Scarlett Johansson, Jeremy Renner, Tom Reed Newton, Clark Gregg, Bobby Smulders, Stellan Skarsgård, and Samuel Jackson. In the Avengers, Nick Fury is director of the peacekeeping organization SHIELD, Brigade Iron Man, Captain America, The Hulk, and Thor, to form a team that must stop Thor Brother Loki from enslaving
Now we are going to talk about the characters in the Avengers movie. Okay, these are all the 7 main characters. There is Robert Downey as Tony Stark or Iron Man. He is self-described genius, billionaire, playboy, and philanthropist with a mechanical suit of armor of his own invention. He said that he initially pushed Whedon to make Stark the lead. In Iron Man 2, which was an origin story, he was his own epiphany and redemption of sorts. Iron Man 2 is all about not being an island dealing with legacy issues and making space for others. In the Avenger, he's throwing it down with the others. Second is Chris Evans as Steve Rogers or Captain America. In Captain America movie, he was slave for a long time, and in the Avenger, he wakes up for a new mission. Steve Rogers is much darker in the Avenger because he's trying to come to terms with the modern world. He was a soldier and lonely. I think in the beginning it's a fish out of water scene, and it's thought then comes trying to find a balance with the modern world. It's Mark Ruffalo as Dr. Bruce Banner or Hulk. He is a genius scientist who, because of exposure to gamma radiation, transforms into a monster when enraged or excited. He is a guy struggling with two sides of himself, the dark and the light. is Chris Hemsworth as Thor. He is a god of thunder based on the Norse deity of the same name. He is much more of a personal one in the sense that it's his brother that is stirring things up.
He has been frustrated with his brother at times or family, but the only one who is allowed to be angry with. And next, Scarlett Johansson as Natasha Romanoff or Black Widow. She is a highly trained spy working for S.H.I.E.L.D. She has relationship with Hawkeye. They have fought together for a long time in a lot of battles in many different countries.
They are the two members of this avenging group who are skilled warriors but have no superpowers. She's not in the cast simply to be a romantic foil or eye candy. She's there to fight.
How desperate are you?
His main character is Tom Hiddleston as Loki. He is the antagonist. He is Thor's adoptive brother and nemesis based on the deity of the same name. I think the Loki we see in the Avengers is further advanced. So I think by the time Loki shows up in the Avengers, he will see a few things.
At the beginning of the Avenger, he comes to Earth to subjugate it, and his idea is to rule the human race as their king. He thinks this is a great idea, because if everyone is busy worshipping him, there will be no wars, so he will create some kind of world peace by ruling them as a tyrant. He is still motivated by his terrible jealousy and kind of spiritual desolation.
We're not.
Essential director by Nicky Fury found the Tesseract an energy source of unknown potential. As activated, and it opened a portal through space from which the exiled Norse god Loki stepped through. Loki takes the Tesseract and uses his abilities to take control the minds of several S.H.I.E.L.D. personnel, including Dr. Eric, Selvig, and Agent Clint Barton, to aid him in his gateway. Because of that, Agent Natasha Romanoff is sent to India to find and recruit the Iron Man. Dr. Selvig research Agents Peel, Chris Evans, Coulson, and Dr. Bruce Banner. Loki quickly surrenders when the superhero arrives and he is escorted back to S.H.I.E.L.D. However, Thor, Louis' half-brother and Norse god of thunder arrives and attempts to free Loki, but Thor got fight with Iron Man and Captain America. Loki is taken to the helicopter and placed in a cell design.
At the end of the battle, Loki escapes. Thor and Dr. Banner have been ejected from the ship and Agent Coulson is killed. Stark and Rogers realize that simply defeating him will not be enough for Loki. The Avengers rally in defense of New York, but quickly come to the conclusion that they will be overwhelmed as wave after wave of Chitauri descend upon Earth, with the help of Barton, Captain America, and Thor. Meanwhile, they send a jet that fires a nuclear missile at Manhattan to end the invasion against the Chitauri. In a post-credit scene, the Chitauri leader, the Elder, tells his master that it is futile to attack Earth, as fighting the Avengers is like courting death. His master turns, revealing himself to be Thanos.
I think this film is the most popular film in this month. If you want to watch this movie, you may sacrifice many times just to buy the ticket. But it's worth it, because this movie is very nice. Another one that I think the film have a good animation effect. For example, when the Chitauri come from the portal of Asgard. But one thing that little bit disappointing me is why Spider-Man and X-Men not included in this amazing film.
The Avengers is the most impressive movie in the century because it shows not only one of the superheroes but 6 superheroes with 6 different powers. Can you imagine what if there are 6 superheroes to save this Earth? It's gonna be a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious moment. And the best moment for me is when they are fighting against the Chitauri from Asgard. And the effect is amazing. It looks real and you will not believe that it's just painting.
Is Robert Downey as Tony Stark or Iron Man?
You will create some kind of bird piece virulence for the characters in the Avengers movie.
Okay, these are all the 7 main points or Iron Man or Iron Man or Iron Man. Playboy and philanthropist with a gun.
You want to watch this film? If you want to watch this film, you may sacrifice many
hours. Can you imagine salah. It's gonna be a supercalifragilistic experience with 6 different powers. Can you imagine what if there are 6 superheroes to save the invasion against the Chitauri? In a post-credit scene, the Chitauri littered the other
And result the Iron Man Dr. Self